Sushant death investigation. CBI is probing as we speak. Several developments happening. The forensic team will also submit its report by Friday. But let's tell you about the inconsistency so far. Flatmate Pithani's version. Very worried when Sushant did not open door. The cook who was also in the flat said this. Pithani wasn't worried at all. He was very calm. So Pithani's lies caught out. Let's look at this. Wanted keymaker gone before opening the door, said Siddharth Pithani. Look what Neeraj said. Pithani waited for the keymaker to leave. This is something that the keymaker has also told. Rafiq is the gentleman. He also told this to Times Now's Priyank Tripathi. Let's look at the next one. This is another inconsistency. Sushant's body was facing the window, said Pithani. Neeraj, the cook, who was inside the flat, viewers, body was facing the wall when we saw. You heard the inconsistencies. Now let's play out a video. This is Siddharth Pithani on the News Hour. He was asked direct questions by Navita Kumar. Look how he fumbles for answers.
Siddharth Pithani,
yes.
I want to ask you one question, and that question is, इतनी सारी आपने किताबें दी और आपने की मेकर के आने का इंतजार किया, फिर की मेकर के जाने का इंतजार किया. इन दिस इंटरिम आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि शायद मेरा जो बॉस है, मेरा जो दोस्त है, वो ही वुड नीड सम इमीडिएट हेल्प, तो मैं कैसे उठाऊंगा उनको?
वो इमीडिएट हेल्प करने के लिए घर में दीपेश सावंत था, मैं था, केशव और नीरज थे. और कुछ ही देर में नीतू दीदी भी आने वाली थी because I was in touch with.
नीतू दीदी had the duplicate key?
No, Neetu Didi did not have any duplicate key.
Who had the key?
We looked the entire house. There was no. We did not find the duplicate key. That's why we called the key maker to come and
key to the house.
We have the key to the house. Yes. Watchman को intimate कर रहा था watchman को कि boss घर में दरवाजा लॉक है, आप तुरंत आप ट्राई करो कि आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट में कोई की मेकर है क्या. लेकिन this guy was not responding on time.
You heard that version. You saw the inconsistencies. Mr. Kothari, what do you make of this?
Pranesh, this is very clear that Mr. Siddharth Pithani, from the very looks of it, forget what he's talking. I can tell you something from my 26 years of legal experience, that the way he's talking and the way he looks and the calmness that he exposes or shows is clearly indicative that he's suppressing a lot of emotions, and he is one person that the CBI needs to look at very closely apart from Sandeep Singh. Let me tell you something, Pranesh, that these two people, both these gentlemen, the way they are coming across in the news channels, the way they are talking, they know much, much more. They are fully privy to what has happened, and the very fact that they're trying to appear calm, it clearly shows that they are very, very much privy to this. So the CBI needs to put nails on their head and try to get things out, because I'm sure these two gentlemen know a lot more than what meets the eye. The very inconsistent versions of Pithani and Neeraj Singh clearly show that these two gentlemen are absolutely involved in it, and Neeraj Singh is aware of all these things which are going on. There is no question about it, Pranesh, and I'm very happy that you are bringing out these things right now, comparing these two things, the flip-flops and all that.
So we are trying our best. We are ill-informed, but still we are not giving up. Mr. Well-informed, friend of Ravi Srivastava, Mr. Abbas.
Forget all those comments. I mean, Pranesh, you shouldn't worry about these comments. These things happen. लोगों को जो बोलना है बोलने दो. 125 करोड़ की आबादी है. हर एक जन का अपना ओपिनियन होता है. फिर अपने को कितना उसको लेना है, दिमाग में नहीं लेना है, उसको हम we are smart enough to do that. We have to brush aside these things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Abbas.
Yes. And let me respond, my good friend Swapnil Kothari ji, a very senior, very renowned lawyer whose opinion truly matters to me. Pranesh Saab, I must tell you this, I was on one of your show, and yesterday also I was on Padma Jaji's show. Undoubtedly, there is no doubt that Times Now investigation team now and even before has been doing a fantastic job. There are no two ways about it. Like Swapnil ji said, it is only a difference of opinion that me and Ravi Srivastava ji may have, but undoubtedly I stand by Satyamev Jayate, let the truth prevail.
Thank you.
My point of view,
I'm glad you said that.
Sir,
I'm glad you said that, because eliminate all the other factors, and one which remains is the truth, said Sherlock Holmes. I'm ending this show with that. Coming up, two testimonies that you can't miss, viewers. Please stay with Times Now.